and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Orina. Artists from across Goa are frustrated over the government's neglect in safeguarding the Kala Academy, Goa's premier art and culture institution, despite numerous alerts. They are mobilizing support for a meeting on June 17th in Panjim to collectively demand action to protect the structure from further deterioration.
Goan artists have started raising their voice to protect the historic structure of Kala Academy from further deterioration. The planned collective action aims to highlight the importance of maintaining and protecting the Kala Academy, Goa's premier art and culture institution. The artists clarified that the upcoming meeting on 17th June is not intended as an agitation or protest. Rather, its purpose is to gather and listen to the views of artists regarding Kala Academy and to strategize for effective action to safeguard this cultural landmark.
ही एक विनंती असा आमच्या गोयातल्या सगळ्या कलाकारा खातीर जावं तो नाट्य कलाकार जावं भजनी कलाकार संगीत कलाकार चित्रकला कसलोय कलाकार आसूं आनी हो विषय असा कला अकादमी संबंधान ज्या कलाकारांक दिसता की कला अकादमी आपल्या लायफान कला अकादमीचो जर वांटो आसत जाल्यार त्या कला अकादमी खातीर हो व्हिडिओ फाटल्या दिसांनी हांवें एक व्हिडिओ लोकां मुखार वचून विचारिल्लें की कला अकादमीची सद्याची दशा जाल्या कारण कला अकादमी रिनोव्हेशनाक काडली आनी परती तिणें सुरवात केली तेन्ना तिची जी दशा जाल्या पळय ती आपली आवय बरी आशिल्ली तिका कोणे तरी हॉस्पिटलांत व्हेल्ली आनी परती हॉस्पिटलांत हाडून तिका खाटीर मरणा खातीर उडयल्या दुयेंत उडयल्या अशे तरेन अवस्था केल्या आमच्या कला अकादमीची. आता ही कला अकादमी तुम्ही सगळ्या कलाकारांनी मुद्रत एक फावट येवन पळोवची कारण आमी कितले जरी सांगले आसत जाल्यार तुमच्या दोळ्यांनी पळयले शिवाय ते खरें न्ही. त्या खातीर हांवें एक प्रयत्न केल्लो हांवें एका कला अकादमीक अपील केल्ली त्या शिवाय एक पत्र दिल्लें की बाबा ह्यो गजाली सारक्यो ना पूण आयज मेरेन त्या पत्राची कसलेच तरेचें उत्तर म्हाका मेळना. हांवें अपील केल्या उपरांत किंवा हांवें निवेदन दिल्या उपरांत कांय कलाकार आमी एकठांय येयले आनी आमी अशें ठरयलां की येता ते 17 तारखेक 16 जुनाक आमच्या चार्ल्स कुरिया बाबाचे डेथ एनिवर्सरी आसा आनी 18 तारखेक 18 जुनाक क्रांती दिन आसा ताज्या पूर्व संदर्भ म्हणजे 17 तारखेक ज्या दिसा ईद आसा हॉलिडे आसा त्या दिसा आमच्या सारखे कांय कलाकार जे लायक माइंडेड आसा तांकां कला अकादमी आपली आवयशी दिसता आनी कला अकादमी खातीर कितें तरी करीन दिसता उलयन दिसता त्या सगळ्या कलाकारां कडेन आमी विनंती करता की येता ते 17 तारखेक 4 वरांचेर श्रमशक्ती भवन हांगा गुजाचें ऑफिस आसा 6th फ्लोराचेर थंय तुमी मुजरत येवचें आनी जे कितें तुमकां दिसता ते उलोवचें बरें केलां कला अकादमीन जाल्यार बरें उलोवचें. जर आमी कला अकादमी कडच्यान कितें अपेक्षा करता आसत जाल्यार आमची अपेक्षा कलाकारांची त्या लोकां मेरेन पावची त्या सरकारा मेरेन पावची. हें आंदोलन न्ही हे कसलो मोर्चा न्ही पूण एक सादें डिस्कशन कलाकारांचें आमी कला अकादमी सारकी करपा खातीर किंवा कला अकादमी आसा तशी उरपा खातीर आमी कितें करुया हाजेर आमचो किशोर नायक गांवकार हाणें एक व्हिडिओ केल्लो ताज्या उपरांत हांव तुमकां अपील करता की आमी सगळे कलाकार एकी कडेन येवन ठरोवया. आमी हय करून आंदोलनां करून तोडफोड करून कांय अर्थ ना पूण आमी कलाकार येवन कशा पद्दतीन ह्या सरकाराक किंवा जी परिस्थिती आसा कारण सरकार एकामेकाचेर धुकलीत आसा आनी अशे तरेन कला अकादमीची सामकी बिकट अवस्था आसा त्या अवस्थेंतल्यान आमी कला अकादमीन भायर काडुया जाल्यार आमी सगळे कलाकार सगळे हेवे दावे सोडून एकठांय येवया आनी कितें करपाचें तें ठरोवया. तुमकां विनंती करता येता ते 17 तारखेक श्रमशक्ती भवन पाट्यार हांगासर 6th फ्लोराचेर गुज ऑफिसान आमी कलाकारांची एक मिटींग आपयल्या. सगळ्या कलाकारां कडेन विनंती करता तुमी येवचें आनी ह्या कला अकादमी खातीर आमी कितें तरी करुया हें आमी ठरोवया.
A raid was conducted by the crime branch at a Bambuli-based casino on Saturday late at night. The crime branch police caught red-handed 11 accused persons involved in this illegal activity and seized items worth ₹33 lakh.
On Saturday late at night, a comprehensive raid was conducted at Strike Casino by Big Daddy, Bambolim, Tiswadi, Goa. The police caught a total of 11 accused persons including 8 gambling customers, 2 dealers of the tables and 1 shift manager for operating playing illegal live playing cards game. During house search, Panchnama seized 0 to tables of live card gambling, 14 tabs, 2 sets of 52 playing cards, 0 to live card shufflers, 0 to card scanners, 0 to cash chip floats containing different amounts of chips worth 28,450 rupees and other gambling articles, all worth Rs 33,00,000 approximately. Accused persons were placed under arrest. Upendra for Herald TV.
With the growing garbage dumping and sewage releasing activity taking place at Sant Ines Creek, the Water Resources Department took decisive action by covering the creek with protective nets. This initiative was done to prevent citizens from dumping waste into the creek.
The Water Resources Department on Sunday covered the Sant Ines Creek with protective nets at many places which are easily accessible for the locals to dump their house garbage into the creek. The work began on Saturday, with WRD workers covering the creek. Due to the rise in garbage in the creek and the creek being polluted, the locals raised numerous complaints and concerns on this issue. The department promptly took action after looking into potential locations for regular dumping. Upendra for Herald TV.
An accident reported at Porvorim wherein a Kadamba bus veered off the road while trying to save an oncoming scooter rider on Sunday morning. Fortunately, no injuries were reported as the bus was not ferrying any passengers.
On Sunday morning, an unfortunate accident was reported at Porvorim. A Kadamba bus was on its way towards Panjim when suddenly the bus driver lost control of the vehicle in order to save an oncoming scooter rider. The incident occurred at 8:30 a.m. opposite Majestic Pride, Porvorim. No injuries were reported. Upendra for Herald TV.
The stray cattle menace is haunting most areas of the state, especially at Bambuli opposite the Goa Medical College and Hospital. A herd of cows keeps roaming near the GMC area and blocks traffic during peak hours. Locals have raised their voice over this menace and have demanded action.
A herd of cows seen opposite the Goa Medical College and Hospital at Bambolim has created issues by blocking the highway and vehicular traffic. These cows settle anywhere on the road that seems suitable for them, even blocking parking areas, leaving no space for locals to remove their vehicles. Concerns are rising among the locals as the issue continues to grow day by day. Sagun Gowde for Herald TV.
The internal road opposite the Tanishq showroom located at Miramar has reportedly caved in, leaving a massive crater on the road. The crater formed next to a construction site, causing concern among local residents and restricting vehicle access. Here's more.
On Sunday, the road opposite the Tanishq showroom at Miramar caved in, leaving no space for vehicles to travel. Adjacent to the caved-in road is an ongoing construction site which has filled with water due to incessant rain. Locals have raised concerns over the caved road and the water accumulation, which can become a breeding ground for mosquitoes, potentially spreading diseases. Additionally, residents have reported a foul smell emanating from the construction site, suspected to be caused by sewage water leakage. With no proper management in place, frustrated locals are demanding immediate action. Sagun Gowde for Herald TV.
The shoddy patch-up of a road in Ribandar, which was dug up for smart city works, has washed away after a week of rainfall. Loose gravel and stones now pose a skidding hazard for two-wheelers.
As Goa grapples with rising traffic congestion and ongoing rains, the public has been blaming the traffic cell for the increased gridlock. However, the condition of the roads also plays a significant role in this issue. The poor quality of work done on the Ribandar road by smart city officials has made commuters' lives miserable. The road, which was dug up for smart city works, has been washed away just a week after the rainfall, leaving loose gravel and stones that pose a skidding hazard for two-wheelers. Sagun Gowde for Herald TV.
The PWD has covered a portion of the road with excess mud following repairs of the water pipeline at Ribandar on Saturday. The mud poses a risk to motorists, especially two-wheeler riders. The substandard work done on the road displays the sheer negligence of the authorities.
It's been 3 days since the authorities repaired the underground water pipeline issue at Ribandal. However, the road covering after the repair was done horribly. The road is not leveled, posing a threat to commuters. Adding to the danger, the authorities have only placed a traffic cone as a caution sign for commuters. Sagun Gowde for Herald TV.
In a significant milestone for the promotion of women's sports in the state, the Shikali Panchayat felicitated the Venture 11 team members for clinching the championships title of the Goa Women Premier League with exceptional performances. Sarpanch Prasad emphasized the importance of sports in fostering community spirit and empowering women, commending the team for their outstanding achievement and contribution to promoting women's sports in the region.
Last year, Goa Cricket Association Goa Women's Premier League organize करपाक start केल्ले. So last year सुद्धा आम्ही part घेतलेलो आणि this year also. So last year आम्ही जिंकूना पण this year Venture 11 was the winner of Goa Women's Premier League. So आमकां खूब खुशी भोगता की गोवा क्रिकेट एसोसिएशनान इतली बरे इनिशिएटिव्ह घेवन वुमन्स क्रिकेटा लागून तेंच्यांनी एक बरोसो हे ऑर्गनायज केला टुर्नामेंट. So Venture 11 as a team and as a company we like to associate with the GCA and every year आम्ही part घेतलेत actually because promoting women's cricket and promoting cricket actually because I wanted to be a player, so my children are playing for Goa. It gives me immense pleasure actually when I part घेता for any cricketing event. So Venture 11 will be always supporting cricket and especially Goa cricket. So आमचो एक ground सुद्धा येता वेर्णान. So hopefully you'll see more tournaments for women. And I like to congratulate my team for wonderful performance. And सगळ्यांक देव बरी करूं. Actually ground general करता पण एक मनान एक विचार येयले की entire Indian special women'साक लागून ground ना. So why not to make it specifically for women's? एक pink initiative in pink ground promoting women's cricket in entire India, not only in Goa. So एक special कितें आसतलें एड आमी सद्या प्लॅन करूना पण वील ट्राय टू प्लॅन इट हाव इट कॅन बी. इट विल बी जनरल ग्राउंड बट समथिंग स्पेशल फॉर वुमन्स इट विल बी.
I'm really happy that the efforts that we put in are being recognized. It didn't happen just after, but then I mean, I didn't expect it to be such grand. I have all my teammates here, and special mention to Sir. The way he's supporting women's cricket is really nice.
So I will look forward for this.
What are you looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to probably with respect to franchise cricket in Goa. I'm looking forward to playing the next season. I've seen that there's so much talent in women's cricket in Goa. It just needs to be nurtured. It needs to be mentored well. And probably next season also, in case I get it, I mean, I'm there in Venture. I don't think there is any retainer clause available. If I get it to Venture, it will be really nice to win another title.
The Feast of St. Anthony was celebrated with great fervour and devotion at St. Anthony's Church, Marna, alongside parish priest Father Sukur Mendes, Punch members of VP Marna and the local community. The joyous occasion was filled with faith and fellowship.
Yeah, I go to Anthony, Petrolio, Firgoji, Job, Padvigar, Paso, Kushal Data, and Amchi Purjik, Siolichi, they by so boon to so look and going so look, Angayata, या बायगोन आंतोनीच्या फेस्ता समयार पुरबी दितात. इतल्या भक्तीपुणान ती येतात. आयज पयसून येतात. पावस पुणो ओत आसूं बरे भक्तीपुणान ते प्रमाणे हांवें ताका व्हडलो अरेंजमेंट केला. व्हडले बँड हॉल घातला आनी बरी कोदेली घातल्यात. कित्याक आमकां दिसलें आमचे कमिटीक चड लोक येता वाडय म्हणून आनी ह्या आतां दिसाक ओवर 2000 लोक आसलेलो. हें केन्नाच जावंक ना पूण हांव खुशाल इतलो लोक भक्तीपुणान बांटूंक येता आनी बायको तातूंत तांचेर आशिर्वाद घालचो म्हूण हांवें मागला आनी आज दीस भर मागतलो.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV. Take care and goodbye.